Hi guys, it's Tari here from ABI Interiors, and today I'm on the raw and rugged east coast of Tasmania outside the Dolphin Stand Studio by Matt Williams Architects. I'm literally standing right above the sand. The ocean is just steps over that way. What a location to build a pocket-sized piece of architecture. Let's head inside. So this entire structure is based on a triangular floor plan, with the widest end being taken up by this gorgeous big window seat here. Then of course you have the bed facing out to that stunning view. Around the back of the bed head you find a very decent sized kitchen, and then finally at the smaller end we have the bathroom. Wonderfully crafted and extremely functional. At a glance, it doesn't look like there's a lot of storage in this space, but on closer inspection, there are so many little hidden nooks for storage. Now, the materials used in this studio, you've got these black stone tiles, the brass which adds that little touch of elegance, and it's all wrapped in this textural OSB. It's a very minimal palette which allows for maximum impact. The owners of this property wanted a place for quiet reflection and respite, and I think it's safe to say that Matt Williams Architects have certainly achieved that, all the while keeping a keen focus on sustainability. They actually haven't touched any of the natural sand dunes during this building process, so this cabin just feels like it's a part of the landscape. While the brass fixtures bring an element of sophistication to this cabin, the OSB timber brings a warmth, and that mixed with the clever, functional and minimal design make for the ultimate place to relax and unwind. I hope you've liked this bite-sized house tour. We'll see you next time.